Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi, in this question, we are asked to show that the parity check can only detect errors when there are odd numbers of them. So if it's even number of errors, it won't be able to detect. And first, we look at the formula for the last digit. It will add everything in front of it, modulo 2. With this, we can view all digits as just 1 or 0, because when we do the modulo 2 is essentially saying if the digit is odd or even. Odd will be 1, even will be 0. And once we look at all digits like that, we consider this that each digit of error that happened will change the sum by 1. Here I mean 1 modulo 2. So it's either change the total sum from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, one way or the other. And with this in mind, we look at when there are odd number of errors. Odd will be some number, right? 2k plus 1. This number of error, each one change the sum by 1. So the total sum change will be this number, mod 2, which in turn will become 1, mod 2. And it essentially means the error can be detected because all in all, it changed the total sum by just 1. So it's again swap from 0 to 1 or swap from 1 to 0. Now, for the even number of errors, so 2k for some integer case, each one change the sum by 1. This mod 2 will give 0. So essentially the change, even though it's occur, all the change like account for each other and it becomes 0 means that the total sum doesn't change. So 1 stay as 1, 0 stay as 0. Even though in between they may change, all in all it will give the same numbers. That's why even number of error can be detected by this method, because even if they occur like change 2 digit plus 1 on 2 digit, it will just add even number to the total sum, and so the parity will give the same parity. That is the way to interpret this. And so it's true, the error can be detected even only if there are odd number of them. I hope this explains it well enough. Thank you.